Now, with the rise of ChatGPT, you're leaving a ton of money on the table because people just like you are already using ChatGPT to leverage AI to make some crazy money. So in this video, I'm going to show you around 4 or 5 different ideas that you can make some money now by leveraging ChatGPT and the power of AI. If you want to learn more money making and business advice, click the subscribe button right now and give the video a like. And if you have any questions, drop them down below and let's get started. So before we get started, for most people who are using ChatGPT for free, you're going to have ChatGPT 3.5. But if you subscribe to the premium plan, which I am, I'd recommend to subscribe to premium because that allows you to use GPT-4, which is a much powerful version of ChatGPT. But it will work with both models, either free or premium, but I'm going to be using the premium plan for this video. So the first method is we're going to write an ebook. So we're going to use ChatGPT to generate an ebook with different chapters and content, and we're going to create that ebook in physical form and design it with Canva, and then we can also sell that on the internet. So if you've got an account on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, we can sell it on Amazon, or you can sell it as a product or digital product on your own website. Also, creating these ebooks are really great if you've got a social media presence. You can create an ebook and then offer it as free content to your audience, and then when they actually join your email list, they get that free ebook. So we can build our email list, or we can just sell it straight up for revenue on places like Amazon. So let's get started. I'll show you how to generate ebooks with ChatGPT. I'm going to type in write me an extensive ebook with chapters and titles to them, about, and then colon, I'm going to put how to build your business. So you can do this for any different niche out there, but I'm just going to do it to how to build your business. Now, as you can see, it's only generating chapter titles. So I'm going to change this prompt over here, and I'm going to change it to write me an extensive ebook with chapters with written content in each about how to build your business. So what this will do is it will give you some chapters. So it will say chapter 1 introduction, welcome to the world of entrepreneurship, what it means to build your business and why starting a business is important. And then it'll give you some content over here. I could also change this and just put write me an extensive ebook about and remove the whole chapters thing, and it will generate as a very similar ebook, right? Now I'm going to use GPT-4 to do this next. So I'm going to generate the same prompt using GPT-4 because it will give me some better content. So it'll give us a title. So now that ChatGPT has generated us some content which we can actually use on a real life ebook, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go on canva.com and we're going to use the content that ChatGPT has given us and then create an ebook from it. So on canva.com, you want to go ahead in the search bar and you want to type in ebook, and this will give us some ebook templates over here. Now you want to go to the filters at the top, all filters, and I'd recommend going down and pressing the free filter over here and pressing apply. This will show us ones that are only free. Now I've found this template down here, build your business. So we're going to use this guy's template and press customize the template, and this will allow us to create an ebook using this template. Now as you can see, ChatGPT gave us a title called From Ground Up, the Comprehensive Guide to Building Your Business. So we're going to copy this title and we're going to put ground up, and then we're just going to put building your business, and we can resize this to a different size, and then we're going to put the comprehensive guide, and we have a title. We could also remove the picture of this guy and replace it with a picture of ourselves, so you can upload your own image if this is like an influencer book or something like that. Now I have a random picture of myself over here, so I could put this down here, which doesn't look very good because obviously I haven't got the background cut out. I'd recommend to use a picture with a background cut out, right? But you can put a picture of yourself in, and then you can change the caption of this, and then you want to press on add page, and over here we have a page. We can press text and we want to add a heading. Okay, so the heading is going to be the first chapter, which is going to be our introduction over here on ChatGPT. So we're going to copy introduction. That's going to be the heading. Press add page, and now we want to press add a little bit of text body. So now we can copy and paste the introduction from ChatGPT and paste it in here, and this will be our introduction. So this introduction will now show as the introduction body. So now we have the cover, we have the chapter heading, and the first page for this chapter, right? So that's our ebook created. So now what we do is we go in the top left, press file and press download. You want to change the file type over here to PDF standard and press download. And now Canva will create all of this design that we've made using the ChatGPT's generated content into a PDF. So now we have ground up building your business, and we have one chapter in this PDF. Now, obviously, the more you spend on the design and formatting, the ebook's going to look better. It's going to be more well presented. But this is basically how to do it, the basics of how to do it. So now what you do is on your website, you'd have an email list pop up where if people follow your email list and sign up with their email, they can then download your ebook in return. Okay, so you'll send them an email with a digital download, which you can use to build your email list. Or you can go on Kindle Direct Publishing, sign up for an account, and sell this ebook that you've just created through Amazon for direct revenue. Okay, I'd recommend the first method, offer free content and then build up an email list to sell other products. But this is how to create an ebook with ChatGPT, which is the first moneymaker method. So the next method is to use ChatGPT to actually write and generate SEO friendly articles for our website based on a certain niche. So if you have your own website, let's say on WordPress.com, or maybe you're hosting your website on something else, or you have a blog, then we can write some articles which is just entirely organically generated using AI. Now, the way that we're actually going to monetize this is we're going to put Google ads on our website, or we're going to write articles in return for money, which we'll get onto later. But this method is actually monetizing it through ads. So here's my WordPress dashboard over here for one of the websites which I'm actually running right now. So let's just say that we wanted to create an article about health. So let's say that my website was about health and fitness and we want to write articles about it. So you would obviously research kind of subtopics in your niche about health and fitness. So we're just going to write a general article, and yet again I'm going to use GPT-4 because it's the most powerful, but you might have to use GPT 3.5. And we're just going to type in write me an SEO friendly article, and then we're going to define SEO just in case it doesn't know. So search engine optimization using rich keywords, and then we're going to put comma about, and then we're going to type in how to lose body fat and get fit. We're just going to write a generic article on this. So it will give us a title, which is kind of similar to what our input was. And now it's going to give us information about this article. So this is going to have pretty good copy in the article as well. As you can see, it's appealing to our customer. Are you tired of struggling to lose body fat and get fit, right? You want to go to the website which you're hosting on, where you're going to post this article. And I'm going to go under posts. We can go ahead and press add new. I'm going to create a new post. As you can see, this writer looks kind of dodgy because I'm using certain themes on this website. Yours might look a bit different. So as you can see, it's now gives us an introduction. So I'm going to copy the title over here, and I'm going to put the title over here on my website. Then I'm going to copy the text. So there's an introduction. So the introduction over here, I'm going to copy and paste that in. And then as you can see, we have create a calorie deficit. We're going to copy some more information here, and you kind of get the idea, right? And then we're going to press preview, and we're going to preview this article. So if this was on my website, we have this article over here that's already written for us. I've not typed in the full article ChatGPT's given me, but you can kind of get the idea, right? And you would break it down into chapters, and then you would actually add images so it looks more attractive and that people would actually want to read it. But for the most part, as you can see, we've generated a whole article about how to lose weight and how to lose body fat, which is going to be perfect for this niche of our website. And then to make money off this blog or website, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to install what's called Google AdSense. And just like YouTube, how a lot of people like me are making money through YouTube videos, Google AdSense is what puts ads on websites and videos through the Google platform. So you want to sign up on Google AdSense, and you want to install, if you're on WordPress, the way to do it would be to install a plugin like this example here, Easy Google AdSense, and then follow the guide, which will allow you to actually enable Google ads on your site. And anyone who clicks those ads and sees them when you get traffic to your website, that'll make you money. And then from there, you want to grow your website. So that method would be to generate lots of articles with good SEO to get into Google search rankings and make money off the ads. The next one is becoming a freelance writer. So being a freelance writer is a really popular way to make money online, but a lot of people are doing it, and it's becoming more highly competitive as time goes on, right? There's so many people trying to do copywriting right now, so many people trying to be a freelance writer, but you can do it using ChatGPT. Now, this is potentially going to be one of the more popular ones from this video, and it's going to probably be the most competitive, but we're going to use ChatGPT to generate articles and copy to then sell to clients on the internet. So we do this through a website called Fiverr, right? So if we go on Fiverr.com, we could type in writer, and it'll come up with people who are offering writing services. So you, as the person who's going to be taking on these clients, you want to create a seller account on Fiverr and sell your services as a writer. So as you can see, we have people like Alexandra over here who's writing content for people's blogs. You could use her listing as inspiration. You can see what she's writing for. She's writing articles about things like digital marketing and movie reviews and finance. So you could basically offer your services and list yourself on Fiverr or Upwork, right? And on ChatGPT, in a similar way to how we just generated this article a few moments ago, we basically do the exact same thing. So if someone was giving me the niche of finance and they wanted me to write them an article on something to do with finance, then I could write an article on that. So we're selling our services. If I get a client through Fiverr and they ask me to write an article on finance and credit cards, I could just type in ChatGPT, write me an engaging and interesting article with an enticing hook at the start, about the best credit cards, maintaining a good credit score, right? Just an example like that. And then it will basically give us an exciting article that people actually want to read. Okay, so this will probably give them good conversions, and it'll look like we've actually done our due diligence to write a really good quality article. Now, like I said before, if you've got GPT-4, I'd recommend doing that because it generates much longer bodies of text. And this is giving us a genuinely good article. But one thing you have to worry about though is you need to fact check these articles, because some of them are using either dated information, especially GPT 3.5, and some of them are also just giving you incorrect information. So before you obviously give these to your clients, just make sure in Google that all the information is correct. The next one is dropshipping, right? So a lot of people are following this channel because I do videos on Shopify dropshipping, and I haven't made a specific video for dropshipping with ChatGPT yet, which I'm probably going to do very soon. But we can actually leverage ChatGPT to actually aid our dropshipping business, and it's actually really cool and fun to mess around with for this purpose. So let me show you how you can use ChatGPT prompts to make more money with Shopify dropshipping. So let's just say we were starting a brand new dropshipping business, right? And we don't know what to do. So let's just say I'm a dropshipper. I want to make a new store. Give me some popular niches I can sell to, something like that. It will give us some general niches, right? So let's just say we want to sell some products in the health and wellness niche. We can kind of niche down based on this. So we can type in, give me some product ideas for dropshipping based in the health and wellness niche, right? And then ChatGPT will give us some ideas. So fitness equipment, resistance bands, yoga mats, workout gloves, supplements, which I wouldn't recommend dropshipping because you don't know what's in them, right? Personal care products, wearable technology, and eco-friendly water bottles and massage products. So all of these are actually pretty good products to dropship, right? Or at least they've got a lot of past data to show they can be successful. So then what we do is, let's just say we want to sell a resistance band, okay? So we can copy this. Let's just say I want to sell a resistance band in my dropshipping store. Write me a product description with powerful copy and the pros of the product in bullet points, something like that, and don't make it too long, just something like that. And now you can see it says, introducing the Ultra Fit Resistance Band, the perfect tool for achieving your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. And it shows you the pros. So increase strength and muscle mass, improve flexibility and range of motion, sculpt your body, improve balance. So it's given us the pros of the product based on our prompt, and it's given us a decent product description we can use for our product, right? And then we could put, now write me some sales copy for my Facebook ad and also copy for my TikTok ad to sell the product on. And let's just see what it says. So it'll give us some Facebook ad copy we can use with our video ads. It'll also give us some TikTok ad copy we can use to obviously improve conversions and sell this product. So as you can see, it's pretty powerful just to make some extra money with dropshipping, right? Or at least improve what you've already got. If you have really bad marketing skills or you don't really know what you're actually talking about or who you're targeting, we could just use this as our personal companion. So that's how I personally have used it for dropshipping, and the best ways to actually leverage the tool. Obviously, the more complex your prompt is, the better things you're going to get out of it. But that's just some examples what you can get started with. The next one is being a video script writer. Now, I'm not going to show you all my tips and tricks with this because I do this actively all the time. I'm just going to show you some basic prompts. As with everything with ChatGPT, it's based on the power of the prompt and the input that you put into it. And you'll obviously get a much better result if you have a more complex prompt, which you actually write up, okay? Now, I'm just going to show you the basics of this idea. This is kind of going to be the exact same thing that we said before. So we're just going to type in script writer in Fiverr, YouTube script writer. And as you can see, we have a lot of people trying to be a professional YouTube script writer, selling scripts for things. This is how you're going to sell your script writing services. And also, you could go ahead and email like your favorite 100 YouTube channels, email like 20 a day that have a fairly decent sized audience that could afford script writing services, and offer your services to them. And what we do with ChatGPT is we type in, write me a funny YouTube video script about TikTok life hacks. Just something like that, which is really engaging. Obviously, based on the topic and niche, you will do something else, but this is like the general idea, right? And it'll give us the commentary of what the narrator's going to say, the camera shots, and also what each different person says in the video, and it'll make it into kind of like a funny script. And based on what we type in, it will give us a better script. Now, if I was to go to GPT-4, which is on the premium plan of ChatGPT that I'm paying for, and type in the same prompt, it will give us an even better result. So it's going to give us the title, TikTok life hacks, what could possibly go wrong? And it's going to give us a better introduction hook to the video and just better information in the result that we get, right? So that's pretty cool. So it's going to give us the whole script. And what you'd go ahead and do is you'd paste this into like, say, Microsoft Word, and you'd save that as a document, and then you'd send that to the person you're selling it to. Or if you have a YouTube channel, you could use it yourself to actually generate scripts for your own videos and then make money through YouTube ads with the monetization, which is basically what I do with my YouTube channels. So that's how to make money with ChatGPT. There's 4 or 5, I think we covered 5 different methods in this video to make some really good money with ChatGPT. Now, this isn't just another one of those clickbait videos where it's like 5 amazing tips to make money in 24 hours. You're gonna have to put some real work into this, and every single one of these examples I've showed you are either going to be highly competitive or take some time to actually set up and get started. So don't think that if it doesn't work in a day and you don't make any money that they don't work, because as with every kind of business idea, they take a long time, and it might take you a few weeks or months to actually get any results with these, because you're actually creating a shortcut in the time it takes to actually get somewhere by using ChatGPT as the vehicle to speed things up. Okay, so we're generating the scripts instead of writing them, but we still have to find clients to sell them to. Okay, so that's kind of like the flip side of the coin. Or we're generating scripts instead of writing them, but we still have to make the videos, which take hours to produce. So there's always a good side to using this, but all it does is save you time, right? You still have to put in the work in terms of the business side of things. Like with the dropshipping example, it shaves time off the product research and the writing the product descriptions and copy, but we still have to actually do all the steps it takes to make the business successful. So these aren't get rich quick schemes, but these are just some really cool ideas that you can leverage ChatGPT for to make some pretty cool money. Let me know if you have any other cool ideas in the comments down below, and if you found any success using these. If you want more tips for making money and also for ChatGPT, make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you real soon.